Hey, welcome back to my channel. Here I'd like to talk about a little bit about everything, and today I'm going to show you this DeWalt 9-inch grinder. It's a model DWE490. You can see the packaging on it. You see, I'm going to do an unboxing on it. You can find these for the price on these. I think I got this one for $180. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, see what this looks like. I like to use this around the house to cut concrete block, concrete. You can use it to sand down concrete. You can put all kinds of discs on it. Here's the receipt, and here's the contents. Here's the manual, and here's the little thing for the grinder. Got the handle. And here's the machine. This is the thing that goes on here. And here's the machine itself. It's 120 volts. And I think its maximum speed is 6,700 RPM or something like that. And here's the nut for the grinder, and here's the little wrench that you use to take out this little nut and put the disc on there. And like I said, you can use this to cut pretty much any kind of material: metal, stone, blocks, stainless steel. You can cut a lot of stuff with this 9-inch grinder. It's a great investment. I think I highly recommend it to anybody, any DIY person out there watching these videos. I think, and I've used this kind of grinder before, this DeWalt branded grinder. And I just liked it so much, so I decided to buy one for myself. And we need it for to do some projects around the house. And that's pretty much it. So later on, I'm going to show you a video on how to use it. We're going to use it around the house.